Let me first explain you what is a Choghadiya. Ladies and gentlemen, the way we have divided our year into two parts. For an example, Uttarayan and Dakshayan. Similarly, we have Krishna Paksh and Shukla Paksh. We have divided 15 days of Krishna and 15 days of Shukla Paksh. Similarly, between the sunrise and sunset, okay, sunrise and the sunset, there are some auspicious hours called Choghadiyas. And between the sunset to sunrise, there are some auspicious, because it is not necessary that you can do a good thing in the day only. There are people who do deals in the night, after the dinner, on the drinks, late after the dinner, midnight, based on their charts, based on the Choghadiya. So this is called the day Choghadiya. Actually, it is Ghadiya, Choghadiya. Why this is called Choghadiya? Because out of the 7, 4 are auspicious. Okay, घड़ी होती ना, घड़ी, घड़िया. So people can ask you कि आज का चौघड़िया बताओ. तो आज की 4 ऐसी घड़ियां आपने बतानी है जो ऑस्पिशियस है.
Yes.
Right? चौघड़िया means the 4 auspicious hours. अब लोग क्या करते हैं, जो तो पंचांग है वो राउंड ऑफ करते हैं टाइम को. ओके, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बता दूं कि टोटल सूर्य उदय से सूर्य अस्त तक 8 चौघड़ियां होती हैं. 8. और सूर्य अस्त से सूर्य उदय तक 8 चौघड़ियां होती हैं. टोटल 24 घंटे में 16 चौघड़ियां होती हैं. याद रखिए. ओके, 8 ही क्यों होती हैं? क्योंकि चौघड़िया 8 प्रकार का है. 8 टाइप्स. Okay, all right. Now, how do we do it? What are the types? I'm going to create a table for you. ये कहते हैं कि आप दिन को शुरू करो 6 बजे से, 6 AM. Okay, 6 AM they want to start the day. और एक चौघड़िया जो है उसको 1.5 घंटे का बोला गया है. 1 hour and 30 minutes. एक्चुअली में एक चौघड़िया 96 मिनट का होता है, 96 मिनट का, विच आई टेल यू लेटर ऑन. सो अगर मैं इसमें 1.5 hours जोड़ता हूं तो क्या टाइम होगा?
7:30.
7:30. So 7:30 AM. Okay, now I have to make 8 parts, 8 such rows, not the columns. So shall I write here 7:30 AM to how much?
9.
9 AM. 9 AM to
10:30.
exactly. And from 10 10:30 AM to
Noon.
12 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
From 12 p.m. to 1:30.
8 p.m.
From 1:30 p.m. to
3.
3.
from 3 p.m. to
4:30.
4:30.
and from 4:30 to
6.
6.
so they assume that by 6 o'clock सूर्यास्त हो जाएगा. ये राउंड ऑफ मेथड है. इसका एग्जैक्ट मेथड पता है क्या है? एग्जैक्ट मेथड सोचो क्या होगा. सिंपली take the sunrise time, take the sunset time and divide those hours into exact 8 parts and then write this range that you see on the screen. There are days, they're called the Vara. Ravi Vara. Var means the energy. So that Var has the energy of Surya. Okay, Ravi Vara. So I'll write here Sunday, or you can write the Ravi Var. We are in the English speaking world, so we're writing Sunday. Okay, and then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many of them?
7.
7. You have 7 days, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Sunday. Now there are 8 types of hours that are written in the Panchanga. And those hours are, the first one is called Udvega. Okay, then we have Monday का जो पहला है वो है अमृत. Tuesday का it's रोग पहला. Wednesday का is लाभ. Thursday is Guruvar is called Shubha. Friday is Chala. And Saturday is called the Kala. Now, once you've understood this, you have to understand what is Udvega, what is Amrit, what is Rog, Labh, Shubh, Chal, or Chal is also called Char. Okay, a lot of Panchang will call Chal as a Char. Okay, Char, Char, or Chal. Okay, now the 4 Choghadiyas that are good, I'm going to circle them with blue. And the 3 Choghadiyas that are bad, I'm going to circle them with red. The name that you see good are obviously very good. You can see them from the name. Amrit is a good word, right?
Mm.
Is Rog a good word?
No.
No.
sir.
Labh is a good word, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shubh is a good word, right?
Yes.
No?
Yeah.
And Chal is also a
Chal.
good word.
Good.
The bad words are udveg, rog,
God.
and kal. Yes. Okay. Now, so you know that the first Choghadiya of Surya is bad. Mangal. Now don't consider the Davara, consider the planet. Okay, consider the planet. So can I write here, what color? Yeah, green. Can I write here sun? Can I?
Yep.
Can I write here moon?
Yes.
Mars? Mercury? Jupiter? Venus? And Saturn. So the Chogadiyas of Sun, Mars, and Saturn are not auspicious, technically, okay? And the Chogadiya of the Moon, Mercury, Jupiter, and Venus are auspicious. The other one are not auspicious. Now, from wherever we have the last Chogadiya, which is Kala, can somebody count 6 Chogadiyas from there? 6. 1. This is the last one, okay? This is the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sure.
Okay? 6. Wherever they finish, the next Chogadiya will come here. Which is this? Come here. Chala. Yes?
Mm.
And then after Chala, it will be the same procedure. Kal. Okay? And what after Kal? Udveg.
Udvega.
And then
Amrit.
Amrit.
Rog.
And then
Love.
Rog.
Lab.
Love.
Lab.
Sure.
Shub.
Shubh.
Mm-hmm.
So we have Shubh here. So Shubh से आगे कितने count करने हैं?
6.
6.
So count करो जरा.
Love.
लाभ आ गया.
Mm.
लाभ के बाद यहाँ क्या आएगा? शुभ. अब लास्ट में उद्वेग.
Yes, Amrit.
Rog.
Rog. Lab. Shub. Chitkara.
लाभ. शुभ.
Chal.
चल.
Kal.
काल. यहाँ पे लिख दूं नाइट चौघड़िया, रात का चौघड़िया निकालना.
Yes.
रात. 6 p.m. to
7:30.
7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. ठीक है. लास्ट वाला कौन सा था? काल. यहां से 5 गिनो आगे. 1 2 3 4 5। तो यहाँ पे पहला आ जाएगा
शुभ,
शुभ। 5 करके, 5 काउंट करने के बाद जो अगला है, उधर 6 काउंट कर रहे थे, रात के 5 करने बस। शुभ के बाद
जल,
चल। अब हम्म
काल,
उद्वेग,
उद्वेग, उद्वेग। फिर
अमृत,
अमृत। फिर
रोग,
रोग। फिर खत्म हो गया यहाँ पे। 1 2 3 4 5। क्या आएगा यहाँ पे?
अमृत,
फैंटास्टिक। अमृत के बाद
रोग,
रोग।
लाभ,
Then
लाभ,
guys, you still want me to make the complete table?
नो सर,
नो सर।
शुभ, चल,
काल,
काल एंड
उद्वेग,
उद्वेग।